Luke, turn around. Luke, turn around.
I need you to look after them. Okay. So, we're going to go on a flyby later in just a bit.
Wait at him.
I thought I might surprise her with some flowers. So I'm going to go pick those, and then I'm going to be right back. But nobody tell her that I'm going down, okay? All right.
He's coming back.
You guys, going to trust you? Okay, yes. Well,
Wait at him. Don't. Say hiccup. Say his name. Say his name.
you know, I've taught him everything he knows, and he listens to some of it, okay? So I'll be back in just a bit, guys, all right?
Tell him bye.